everything's broken and repaired. Things break all the time. And when works of art break and they're repaired, except in the ridiculous contemporary art market where everything's about pristineness and value, but you go into a museum, you see Greek ancient sculptures. Every single one of them just about is repaired. They're not less beautiful because of it. Our minds don't go directly to the damage, they go to the beauty. And we have to think of people in the same way. Everyone is broken. The most awful person, and there are many in today's world, there's some really bad people out there wreaking havoc on our nation and on our world, but you kind of probe the surface of them, and I don't want to sort of mention names, you know, but we all know who I'm talking about. This is a, you know, these are people who had parents that didn't love them enough, that didn't treat them well, and they carry that forward. That doesn't mean you excuse everything that's done, but you still have to understand the source if you're going to get anywhere with any kind of healing.